Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives here at Grubbs Infiniti in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in the 2025 INFINITI QX60 Pure. So the Pure is the base model. You can get, there's the Pure, the Luxe, the Autograph, Sensory, and the Autograph. I have a video on the Luxe already if you want to check that out. Driving video. I'll get a video on all the trim levels as I can get my hands on them. So you do not get a digital gauge cluster in the Pure. It's basically the same as it was before. The biggest difference, of course, is the engine. Now instead of having the 3.5 liter V6, you have the turbocharged VC 4-cylinder engine, 2-liter engine with 268 horsepower and 286 pound-feet of torque. You still have the 9-speed automatic transmission. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this vehicle, touchscreen. You can use a touchscreen, or you can use this little rotary dial down here. Heated steering wheel, which is pretty nice. Heated seats. Heated steering wheel in the base model is pretty cool. You use your backup camera. You do not get a 360 camera. You have to get the higher trims for that. And rear seats are pretty comfortable. Here's the panoramic sunroof as well. But let's go for a quick walk around. This is the new key fob with the QX60. I like it. It looks really good. Here's your daytime running lights, LED daytime running lights. They look pretty good. So the QX60 Pure total is $51,785 with MSRP and destination. I like how the little exhaust garnishes are black. It looks good. And here are the INFINITI all-weather mats. Let's go for that drive. So as I mentioned in my video on the Luxe, in the driving video, the acceleration doesn't honestly seem that much different than the V6. It's about the same to me, right? The 4-cylinder, smaller engine, so you can get better fuel economy. 24 combined, 28 highway, 22 city. I personally really love the V6, but you know, the 4-cylinder is not really, it's not like you're going to be losing acceleration or anything like that, because the low end torque is pretty good. It has more torque than before, so you have more low end torque when you put your foot down with the turbocharger. So you have that. And I'm in normal mode now. For everyday driving, it has more than enough pickup and acceleration in a 3-row SUV. And you also have a wireless charging tray over there too. Yeah, pretty comfortable ride. Seats are comfortable. Visibility is good as well. And your modes are personal, sport, standard, and eco for your driving. But yeah, from the exterior and honestly the interior as well, yeah, it looks pretty much the same, right? It looks the same as it did in the pre-facelift. The biggest change was the engine. That's the biggest change in this for the 2025 model year on the QX60. And as I mentioned in my previous video, if you want to get a V6 in a 2025 Infiniti SUV, you will have to get the QX80, the all-new redesigned QX80, which I'm very, very excited to make many videos on and try out all the trim levels. That was the first time I saw that new key fob, which was on the QX80. It's cool how the QX60 got it too. And all the Infinitis going forward are gonna have that key fob. So here's the thing, like, this is the engine that you find in the QX50 and QX55, but those have a CVT. This has a 9-speed, which is a major improvement, you know, over a CVT. I really like the 9-speed. I think it's nice. It's performing pretty well with this. It's responsive. And yeah, so that's why this definitely is feels smoother than the CVT, right? With the same engine in the QX50 and QX55. The QX60 obviously is more expensive, it's bigger, so it's more comfortable and more, you know, refined and smoother driving and all that, and all those things anyway. Yeah, if you're looking to get into a 2025 QX60 and looking for the most affordable option, most budget friendly, the Pure would be your best way to go, considering it is the lowest priced model. And you have blind spot alert in the mirrors over there. And you have cruise control right there. Oh, you also have a snow mode too. That's cool. But yeah, overall smooth, comfortable SUV with good practicality, and it's a good looking SUV as well. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And if you would like to shop the 2025 QX60, please check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Infiniti in the description below. Thanks again. I'll see you all in the next video.